Hi dear students, in this video we are going to learn substitution into expressions. Substitution into expression means replacing the letters in an expression by given number. Like here 3, we are going to replace the x is equal to 3 inside the expression. And when we are doing this calculation, we are going to be careful about the operation order because we need to do in correct order. And you remember, for the correct operation order, BEDMAS we were using, which means B means brackets, which is here parenthesis sign, braces, and brackets. They are all included, you know that one. The second one was exponent or power, which means a to the power of 4, and the division multiplication, they are together. The order, importance order also same, multiplication, and addition and subtraction it's going to be. So we are going to be careful about the BEDMAS order as we said before. Okay, how to substitute the variables with the values here. If it is given x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -4, you are going to substitute the value here. X is equal to 3, you are going to write here, and the y is equal to -4, you are going to write here. So it's going to be equal to 5 times 3 plus 3 times y, it's going to replace by -4. Since the number is negative, I'm writing in parentheses. 5 times 3, it's going to be equal to 12. 5 times 3, it's equal to 15, and 3 times -4, it's going to be equal to -12. I need to be careful here because the sign of the 3 is plus. 3 times -4, it's going to make plus and minus. You remember, plus times minus, which is equal to minus. So the answer is going to be equal to -12. And the answer of this question, 15 minus 12, is going to be equal to 3. Okay, if we continue with the second exercise here, I'm going to replace x by 3 again, y by 4, so it's going to be, -4, so it's going to be equal to 3 square, is going to be equal to 3 square plus -4 square, it's going to be. And 3 square, you know, it's equal to 3 square means, which is equal to 3 times 3, and it's equal to 9, you know that one. Here I am writing 9, and the second one, -4 times -4 square is equal to, which means -4 times -4, which is equal to 16. It's going to be plus 16 because -4 times -4 is going to be plus 16. The square of a number means multiply by itself. So the answer is going to be equal to 16 here. So the result, it's going to be equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Okay, if I substitute the value here, 2 times x squared, 2 times 3 square plus -4, it's going to be. Since it is -4, I'm writing in parentheses always. So 2 times 3 square, it's going to be, I'm going to do first the operation 2 times 3 square, which is equal to 2 times 9 plus and -4. Now here plus and minus sign we have, plus and minus in parentheses. If it was, the answer was minus, so 2 times 9 is going to be equal to 18, then plus and -4, it's going to be equal to -4, which is equal to 18 minus 4, that's equal to 14 going to be. Okay, 4xy plus 3y squared. If we say 4 times x is equal to 3, y is equal to -4, since it is -4, I'm writing in parentheses. Okay, times -4. Okay, then 3 times -4 square it's going to be, and 4 times 3 it's going to be equal to 12 times minus 4 plus minus 4 square first I'm going to get, which is equal to 3 times minus 4 square. That's going to be equal to 16. I showed here why it's like that. So 12 times minus 4, it's going to be equal to 12 plus 12 times minus 4. 12 times minus 4, it's going to be equal to minus 48. So the answer here, minus 48, I'm going to write plus 3 times 16 is also equal to 48, but here it is plus 16. You need to be careful about minus 4 square, always positive. So it's equal to 16, and 3 times 16 is equal to 48. Then the answer it's going to be equal to minus 48 plus 48, which is equal to 0 going to be. Okay, if we continue with the exercises, now 5 times we are going to replace x by 7 in the expressions. So I'm going to start with this one, the f1 I want to start. F is equal to x plus 3 over 5 if x is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, it means that it's going to be equal to 7 plus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to 10 divided by 5. That's equal to 10 divided by 5 it's going to be, and the answer it's going to be equal to 2. Okay, if I solve the J1, I want to solve J1 also here. For the J1, 2x square, 2x parenthesis square plus 5x is equal to what? If x is equal to 7. So I'm going to replace the values by 7. 2 times 7 square plus 5 times x. With respect to Bedmans rule, firstly we need to multiply inside the parentheses. So it's equal to 14 square plus 5 times, I made a mistake here, 5 times x, it's equal to 5 times 7. It's going to be 14 square plus 5 times 7 also you can do, which is equal to 35. It's going to be 14 square is going to be equal to 196, and plus 35 it's going to be, here it's going to be equal to 231 is the answer of the question. Here we can continue with different exercises, but I want to solve different type of exercises. Here I'm going to replace x and y again, and I want to do on the k exercise. From k I want to solve. So if x is equal to x minus y square is equal to what? If x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, if I ask, it means that I'm going to replace x by 3 like the others and the y by 5. So it's going to be equal to x replaced by 3, y replaced by 5. So the answer is going to be equal to 3 minus 5 square, which is equal to first in parentheses minus 2 square it's going to be, and minus 2 square means minus 2 times minus 2. For one more time to remind the expression, I'm writing this one, which is equal to minus 2 times 2, it's equal to 4 is the answer of the question going to be. Okay, here I can solve the L1 also here, and we are going to write for the L1 3x divided by 2y square it's going to be, which is equal to it's equal to what? If x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So replace x by 3 times 3 divided by 2 times 5 square it's going to be, which is equal to 9 square 9 over 10 square it's going to be. Actually, we cannot simplify 9 and 10 because they don't have common factor. 9 square it's going to be equal to 81. 10 square it's going to be equal to 100. It's going to be actually I forget here this one. 9 over 10 square it's going to be equal to 9 square over, I forget here, that's equal to 9 over 10 times 9 over 10. When you are multiplying the fractions, you are going to multiply numerators by numerator, which is equal to 9 square, and denominators, they are going to be 10 times 10, which is equal to 10 square. So I said directly 9 square divided by 10 square, which is equal to 81 over 100 is the answer of the question going to be. Here on this page, only one exercise I'm going to solve. The important part here, we have the third letter. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to -4. So the answer of the question for the I one I'm solving, ab square plus c, if is equal to what? If a is equal to 2, b is equal to -3, and c is equal to -4. I'm going to replace like the others. There is no difference. A going to be equal to 2, b is equal to -3. Since it is negative, I'm writing in parentheses. Then the square of it. Then plus c it's going to be. Since minus it's 4 it is, I'm writing in parentheses again. Okay, what is the answer of this question? Firstly, inside the parentheses, 2 times -3 I have. So it's going to be equal to -6 square plus -4. -6 square is going to be equal to 36. -6 times -6, you know that -6 times -6 is equal to 36 it's going to be. And plus and -4, it's going to be equal to -4. So the answer is going to be equal to 32.